Hello everyone, welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating this card slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And huge thanks for Code and Create for making this card animation. The channel link will be in the description. Let's get right into it. Three files: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And I have taken 3 images. You can get those images in the link will be in the description in my GitHub. Your Nike logo and shoe one and shoe two. And as you can see, this shoe is aligned the way we need, but this isn't. Yeah. So this one we have to do it manually. So it's going to do it using HTML, CSS. It's going to be angled, so it will look the same as this one. Okay. Let's start coding. Shift exclamation tab. Get first code. Div dot container enter heading paragraph some 18 and a bit of break here, and we are going to have another div dot it's going to be sizes and the input type. We don't need input type, guys. We need pan elements. There's 5 of pan. Are going to be the same. Change it bit, and it's going to be 10. Okay, and the price. Dot tag price tag dot price tag div dot price tag. Okay, so we give a replace from here. Right, we give a dash. That's it. Then we have to price is going to be 10 and be 250. I'm going to copy it and we price tag 2. That's it here. And we are going to link not link, we are going to connect script. Source margin is going to be HIJS this is it. Let's get started with the CSS. Okay, we have to have margin selector, margin 0, padding of 0, border 0. Okay, and next we are going to have a HTML style, background color, and color is going to be black. We're going to have width 50 pixels, height of 20 pixels, enter, and it's going to have a font and large. That's it here. And we're going to have the body, background color is going to be a background color. It's going to have a font family, Franklin, font size, smaller, Next we have to do is the div, normal div. It's going to have a color of marine, font family, font size. Okay guys, font size is going to be 40 pixels. No, 40 is too much. 5 pixels. Okay, 5 pixels, and that's it. Now we have to have a class dot here dot we need container, okay, container. Then we are going to add display text, line items, center, justify content is going to be center, and also we are going to have position is going to be absolute, background color is going to be white, yellow because this is the container one. Okay, and width 40 pixels, height 50 pixels. That's it, and we are going to copy this 2 times because we have 2 containers. This is the one, this is 2, container 2. Enter. Okay, that's it. And guys, we're going to have Next we're going to do the size. Okay, that size at 40, height 50, and justify content center, align items center. Okay, it will be end, and color is not this, the color should be white. That's it for size. And now for size we have to have span elements dot span font. Okay, this is going to have font size, font family, Korea, font weight 400, and we're going to have justify content center, align items center, and we're going to have position, select, and we need text align, text inclusion, text alignment should go to center. Color should be black. And paper 5, margin top 3 pixels, margin bottom 3 pixels. Okay, that's it here, and we have to copy this 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah. It will be 5 6 7 oh, sorry. 5 4 3 2 1, yeah, all are the same. Then that's it for CSS. Let's get started with the JavaScript. Okay guys, the last step of this project is code in JavaScript, which is going to be very easy. Okay, because it's going to contain only 11 to 9 lines of code. Imagine it for this big project, yeah? Let's get started. First we're going to have const, enter, document is going to be toggle event next navigation, enter, and we're going to have this if navigation. Next we're going to have console.log. Okay, console.log. Curly brackets open, enter, navigate. Now navigate it. Navigate is going to be equal hidden. Enter. Last step is last step to do is and is going to be navigated. Okay, this is for the JavaScript. We have done HTML, we have done CSS. That means the site is completed. Let's see the final outcome. And before that, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to get the source code link will be in the description. Okay, right click, show preview. Okay, site looks beautiful. Let's see if it works beautiful. We have the highlighted name, the span sizes and all. Now card and now shoe. Small, big, same. This is the final outcome. So as you can see, we saw the final outcome. Let's see how it works. The navigation looks awesome, and we angled it. The shoe. We angled it, and it works nice. And guys, when this shoe goes, it aligns. It goes in the straight way, and when this goes, it goes from the back in the straight way. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. Peace.